Does anyone remember these old Windows, these old Dell laptops, or any HP or Dell? I'm right now doing a memory diagnostics tool on it. Check on it. It's a Latitude D630. I actually got this at my local thrift store, which is the DAV, for 50% off at $10. See? And compared to my my current daily driver, which is an HP, I don't know the model, but if anyone can know what it is, can tell what it is, tell me down in the comments. It is noticeably more chunkier. It's more chunkier. It's more chunkier. And it uses a charger that came with it. It actually connects to the back. And this is a more rugged laptop. It currently is, it had a tendency to boot loop. So if anyone knows how to fix it, tell me down in the comments. And I wonder how the factory reset it without turning it on. So also tell me down in the comments for that. This is my daily driver, by the way. And I actually used it for a video. It's a bit dirty, yes. It's actually in good shape. And I'm working on restoring it, fixing it. It's probably like a memory issue. See, can you tell me down in the comments if it's some kind of issue? Because here's what's going on. When I turned it on, and I clicked Start Windows normally, it boots up like normal, and then it goes to the black screen with the cursor, and then it just stops booting and reboots, and then restarts. So, can you tell me down in the comments if that's how to fix that? Anyways, hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.